Good afternoon, fellow Abarcans. It's Friday, March 13th at approximately 5 p.m. I'm reaching out to give you an update on the developing story of the coronavirus pandemic. As you've heard, both from the media, your communities, and from the updates received from the talent strategy team, an unprecedented global pandemic has been announced and is being evaluated as a national emergency. Abarca yesterday activated our business continuity committee to deal with this challenge as we do with any other crisis. I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you a little bit of our thinking of what's going on and what you should expect going forward as the situation evolves. The first thing that I want to share is that every day information changes and the situation progresses. And so we're going to be updating you very frequently, and we're going to be updating our plans very frequently based on what we learn and what changes in our communities, what we hear from our clients, the directions that come out from the government, and the situation on the ground. The second piece is that we want to ensure that you know that we're committed to free-flowing communication to all Abarcans and their families about what our strategy is. You'll be receiving updates via email, notifications via text and phone through our call and all system, and I plan to record these videos at least once during every working day just to share an update of what's going on. Third, this is an unprecedented time, which for many of us can create uncertainty. We can feel fearful or scared of what's to come, and when we hear some stories in the media. And I can't take away from the fact that given that this is unprecedented, it's very serious. Having said that, I'm very confident that working together, living our values, we will come out stronger from this experience. So what I can share with you is that your leadership team, your operations teams, and your strategy teams are fully prepared to support Abarcans throughout this challenge. The first thing that I want to share is please pay attention to the direction that's being shared with you by the talent strategy team. It's consistent with all of the guidance provided by public health and government agencies, as well as best practices from around the world. We will be changing this frequently based on how the situation progresses. And so it's very important to pay attention and to strictly follow the directions that are being shared with you about working from home, about contact, about washing hands, about gatherings, and all sorts of other measures that we need to protect ourselves and to protect each other to slow the spread of this coronavirus. First and foremost, our priority is the health and safety of our Abarcan employees and their families. It's necessary for everything else we want to do, and it's part of our commitment, like family, to care about your success. Second, our priority is serving the communities who rely on us for access to their medications day in and day out. We have well over 2 million people that depend on Abarca and Darwin every single day for access to their medications, and we're here to ensure that those don't get interrupted no matter what the circumstance. Finally, I want you to know that despite what happens in the coming months, you can be very confident that your job at Abarca, that your work here is secure, and that no matter what happens, we're going to support you through paid sick leave, through whatever challenge comes up. The company is going to be here to support you, and we know that you're going to be here to support us and the members that we have. So with that, I say thank you for your commitment. Thank you for being prepared to be all in, to go off-road, and I look forward to updating you soon as to what comes next. Thank you.